Turn the video. Okay. Take it inside.
अरे डुबाओ यार डुबाओ वीडियो है
Become hard and brittle in liquid nitrogen. तो soft leaves, नरम पत्ते हैं, नरम है.
फूल के साथ दिल भी टूट गया
I'm dipping inside. It just become hard like papad. बिना सेके तले पापड़ बन जाते. Okay? अभी ट्राई करते हैं. Soft leaves है, अंदर डालते हैं.
Give me some crust.
Just hold for some time again.
No
it will become
crust.
soft.
ঠিক হয়ে গেছে আবার এখন ঠিক হয়ে গেছে
We have more. We will.
everyone gets the opportunity to crush let him crush
So you can powderize anything.
it's not crush
You can powderize anything with liquid nitrogen or cryogens. Okay. For sintering process, you need fine powders. We can powderize with liquid nitrogen. Any rubber powder, chili powder, rose powder, polythene powder. Even you can put a hand and make a powder.
केला गुजार अब केला
Plastic tube, flexible tube. Flexible tube. If I dip inside, if I dip inside, you can see nice fountain is coming out. प्लास्टिक ट्यूब, कोई जादू की छड़ी नहीं है. अंदर डालो एक अच्छा सा फाउंटेन आने लगता है. Can you see? Some fountain is coming out. In case why this happens? ऐसा क्यों होता है? प्लास्टिक ट्यूब है, कोई जादू की छड़ी नहीं है. जादू की ट्यूब अंदर डालो एक अच्छा सा फाउंटेन आने लगता है. गेस करेंगे क्यों हो रहा है?
There is a high pressure in it.
हाँ? Atmospheric pressure. Capillary. For
No, it's
capillary,
not
you need a
capillary.
fine diameter.
Yes.
This is quite big. So it is not capillary. Any huh?
खुशी के आंसू
But pressure is okay. You know what is this temperature? What is this temperature?
minus
Minus 196. So this is very cold. This is very hot. When we dip this hot tube, it will evaporate liquid. When liquid evaporates, its volume gets increased and pressurized. Huh? Huh? After some time it will not. So when we dip tube, it creates fountain. After cooling down the tube, fountain stops. Okay. Slowly fountain reduced and reduced and stops. If I put this end, again fountain will start. On cooling cold tube, fountain. Again plastic tube.
कागज है
Again plastic tube, flexible tube. If I dip inside, it just become hard like glass. It just become hard like glass. It become hard like glass. It act like glass. I can cut anything with this. This is very hard, very sharp. You can cut anything. But after some time, again it will become softer.
you can cut you can keep
Even with water, you can make ice knife. पानी से आप चाकू बना सकते हैं. Have you heard ice knife?
no.
सुना है? हाँ? सीआईडी में, बट आइस का नाइफ बनाओ, पानी का नाइफ बनाओ, मर्डर
और
करो,
घुसा दो
आइस में
कहाँ पे?
नो
पेट
एविडेंस।
नहीं, मैं बोल ही नहीं भाई।
तेरा खिला दबा देंगे। नहीं
छोड़ दे तू, अब पहले सोच ले फिर बोल।
कुछ और ही बोलना चाहता था लेकिन हाथ नहीं होता ना, इससे तेरा क्या बोल रहा है।
How many of you are in physics and chemistry, mathematics?
No matter. They are legend. They are lazy.
They don't care about what is happening in reality.
Just guess.
The deals with only topology.
Yeah.
shrink and become
Air balloon.
কেটে যাবে নাকি? কেটে যাবে নাকি? কেটে যাবে মনে হচ্ছে। শক্ত হয়ে যাবে?
কম্প্রেস হয়ে যাবে, শ্রিঙ্ক করে যাবে।
ভিতরের এয়ারটা ইয়ে হয়ে যাবে নাকি?
হ্যাঁ তো
প্লাস্টিক।
When the air gone, हवा किधर गई? Inside. Can you see liquid at the bottom?
हाँ
Air
condensed.
condensed. You can see liquid at the bottom.
Oh.
Now you can see liquid evaporated. Now you can see some powder like this.
Yeah.
You can see some powder, right? Just watch at this powder. It is also reducing. ये powder भी reduce हो रही, कम हो रही है. You can see powder, no? You can see some solid particles. Huh? Carbon? Carbon, dry ice. Okay. First we have seen liquid air. Liquid, that was air. Whole balloon, something 3-meter balloon, is condensed to only half ml, 1 ml, 1 ml of liquid, right? Then liquid evaporated and balloon get inflated. Then we see some powder-like things, some solid particles that directly went to gas. Means that sublimated, right? So that sublimating material was dry ice, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide doesn't have liquid phase at atmospheric pressure. It directly going from solid to gas. It is sublimating. It is not melting. That is why it is called dry ice. Okay, why this balloon is totally flattened? Because any gas, when converted in liquid, its volume drastically reduces. In case of nitrogen, the ratio is 700 times. If I take helium, the ratio will be 800 times. So, storing the large volume of gas is most efficient in liquid phase. Okay. Any volunteer? Strong volunteer? आ जाओ। और आ जाओ दोनों आ जाओ।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड।
Okay, we have a paper. Fold in half. Again fold in half. And then fold 3 layers in your piece and make a square like 4. And start like holding it.
कुछ करना क्या है? कुछ करना तुम्हारा
कुछ कर
যেমন বানায়, হ্যাঁ সেরকম বানায়।
Okay. I'll take liquid. Some liquid. Anything. I'll take some liquid. Can you see the liquid level? Level is almost steady. Level is almost steady.
Don't know much.
But something is dripping down continuously. You can see level. Level is not falling that much. There is some evaporation, but so you can see liquid level is almost steady, but something is coming down continuously. You can touch it, but just touch and hold. Touch and leave. Don't hold for a long time, otherwise it will make a nice hole on your hand. Just touch and leave. Is your hand get wet? आपका हाथ गीला हो रहा है? Just touch and leave. Huh? Your hand is not getting wet.
No.
So it is not water, right? Now let us see, is there any hole in paper or not? Just dump it. Dump it. You can see still liquid is there. Your hand is not getting wet. Can you guess what is happening? क्या था? Air. Air. Okay. This is liquid air. Outside one is liquid air. Whatever air is coming in contact of cold cone, it is condensing and dripping down continuously. We feel something is coming down from bottom point, but it is not inside liquid matter, it is outside air. जैसा हम फ्रिज से बॉटल निकालते हैं तो बॉटल के सराउंडिंग में we'll see moisture droplets. At this temperature, air becomes droplet. When we dip balloon inside, what was happened to air? It become liquid. So all air is condensing at the surface, one surface, and dripping it. But in science, any result we see with some other method. So let us open the paper and see, is there any hole or crack or not? No. Just check, is there any hole or crack? No. No hole, no crack. Means whatever we see has outside air. Okay.
কি বল এগুলা তাই লেখা হবে ডায়েরিতে তাই তো
Shall we continue or you are good?
No. You can continue the whole day.
Okay. As we know, when liquid evaporates, its volume gets increased by 700 times. If we take it in closed vessel, volume will be equal to vessel volume. Then what will increase? Pressure. Right? So I am taking some liquid in cooker, closing the lid. Immediately pressurize. Khana ready. So it get very high pressure. We can run high speed turbine with this. It will see volume. You can see cold cooker is beginning. If I press this whistle, what will happen? Whatever pressure created, it will not release. So it will enough to blast the cooker. So touch and see. Cold cooker is missing.
उठा ही नहीं, मैं बोला फट जाएगा।
फट जाएंगे
Sizzling cooker for first time. Don't try at home. You can make instant ice cream with liquid nitrogen. Just within half minute we can freeze ice cream. Shall we try? Anybody made ice cream at home? Yes. How much time take to freeze ice cream? Shall we wait for 4 hours?
No.
So we'll make instant ice cream. What is necessary for ice cream? I made one polythene bowl. Take some milk. What is next? आगे क्या? शुगर फ्लेवर. अभी डायबिटीज का जमाना है तो शुगर फ्लेवर स्किप करते हैं. So we'll dip in our new fridge, cryogenic fridge. Can you count the time? Huh? So start. 1, 2, start.
1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Ready. It's ready. Natural ice cream. Very cold. Anybody want to taste? Slowly. It is very cold. Taste slowly.
Give me.
Slowly taste.
You have to pay for this.
জিভে লেগে গেল না? লেগে যাচ্ছে এত করে
Oh, I came in your field.
Put a nail in wood or wall. What tool you are using for hammer? I don't have hammer. I just tell you, just take a banana. Can you do it? Can you do it?
Yeah.
Huh? How? Dipping in that. Anybody want to try? नहीं आप तो आते banana. Is this normal banana? Yeah, nothing made up of iron or steel something. No? Normal banana, eatable. So what we have to do? Dip in that. Leave it. It will take some time. It will take some time. Meanwhile, we will see something else. White car है. White. Any guess? Huh? Why? Color changing dye. Huh? Color changing dye. Color changing dye. There are some colors which are changing its shade according to temperature. That color is called thermochromic color. Okay. This car is painted with thermochromic color. That is why it will change color. If I rub it back to
Magic. This is called magic.
something else.
केला इतना वक्त लेता है हार होने में। हाँ
You have to go for lunch, no? One conducted demo is there, but I don't know. It will take some time to cool down. I don't know whether we will get that much time or not. Let's try. It works. We'll find otherwise.
Boy, can you hold it?
Yes.
Okay, let's take our new hammer, banana as a hammer. Will it become hard? Can we try it? I put it here.
उसको केस
Try with our new hammer, so-called hammer, banana as a hammer.
Don't break the banana.
अरे हथौड़ा चलाना भी नहीं कहते थे।
Okay, enough. So it is really hard. You can see our new hammer.
कितना देर तक ये हार्ड रहता है?
Smash it down, it would break, right?
Smash it.
भाई आ जाओ देना ना।
Dream come true हो गए।
देखे
ना ना दिस इज टू मच बहुत ठंड है यार।
ये दिखता पा यार
Let everyone see it.
इतनी ठंड।
No, that part is not. Hey. Smash it or no one will take it.
पकड़ना था, तोड़ना नहीं था उसे। आशुतोष तेरा कितना?
आप लोगों में से किसी ने देखा था पहले लिक्विड नाइट भी?
नहीं
मैंने देखा लैब
ये वाला एक्सपेरिमेंट
नहीं ये बार नहीं।
देखे थे? Okay. Large quantity of cryogenics is used in space.
Hey,
Once we go to
hey
space,
Supriyo.
the temperature is cryogenic temperature. Okay, something 3 Kelvin to planet radiation or sun radiation temperature. But it is lesser than 150 degrees. If you go to the Uranus, nitrogen will be in liquid form. Okay, you go
Hey, Supriyo.
beyond that, there will be lower temperature, more lower temperature. So,
सामने ना
in satellite launching vehicle, PSLV is GSLV like thing, final stage is cryogenic stage. They use liquid hydrogen as a fuel. Means hydrogen as a fuel because it is purely fuel gas, and storing the gas at large volume is effective by putting in liquid form. Okay, so hydrogen expansion ratio is 850 times. 1 liter hydrogen convert to 850 liter of gaseous hydrogen. Okay. So they stored in liquid form, and it's activated in above the atmosphere. Okay. That is why there is no oxidizer, means oxygen for fire. So oxygen also taken from ground. So something 20 ton of oxygen and hydrogen is taken from grounds in liquid form. So we'll just see how the cryogenic engine works. We'll use liquid nitrogen, expansion of liquid nitrogen. So I'll take some liquid in bottle. Bottle has tangential nozzles. Close the lid. Okay. Once it nitrogen convert in gas, it creates pressure, and it works like jet and rotate. This is single stage expansion, single stage. They are using multi-stage turbo, well efficient turbo engine. And another thing, they fire hydrogen. So firing is more volumetric expansion. So this is because once you cross the atmosphere, then it will be low temperature. We have seen create pressure with liquid nitrogen. We can create vacuum with liquid nitrogen. So high vacuum systems use cryo pumping, cryo vacuum. Here are two bottles. Lower bottle has a liquid, upper bottle is empty. If we pull down upper bottle, you can see whole liquid at the bottom. We'll pull upper vessel. You can see liquid is climbing up upward against gravity. Right? So we can create vacuum with liquid nitrogen. So many systems are having cryo pumping device. They are using liquid nitrogen. Okay. Anybody heard about feedback effect? Feedback effect सुना है? Feedback effect, Peltier effect.
थर्मोकपल
No.
सिंपल डिवाइस
Anybody know? Feedback effect. Huh?
Is it somewhat related to junctions?
हाँ.
थर्मोकपल
Bimetal junction.
थर्मोकपल
हाँ, तो there is a potential difference between temperature.
हाँ.
Feedback.
You're right. Tell.
I just know that.
हाँ.
I read it, I
हाँ.
forgot.
हाँ. हाँ. Thermoil.
So at a junction, if the two parts are at different temperatures, then there is a current.
A bimetal junction, if we hit one end and pull another
Other
end,
end, then
so then from hot end to cold end, there will be electron flow that create EMF, that is called Seebeck effect. And same bimetal junction, if we pass a voltage, it will create hot end and cold end, that is called Peltier effect.
Peltier.
Reverse of Seebeck and Peltier. Bimetal junction is just two metals, two different metals are connected together. This simple bimetal means simple thing, bimetal strip. Straight strip is there. Strip straight है. If I pull down, actually I am not touching liquid. Liquid is much below the thing. We are not handling liquids. But all things cannot be done by gloves. That is why I remove. So you can see this become curved, right? Because thermal expansion, thermal contraction of this brass metal is more and steel is less. That is why it become bent. So here is a bimetal junction and aluminum strips are connected with this to transfer the heat, bimetal junction, and two leads are coming out to check the voltage and connected to the fan. If voltage generated, fan will be rotated. Fan will be rotated. It will take some time to get it cooled. You can see the direction of rotation.
Yes.
This is hot end, this is cold end. So electron flow is in this direction. So if I reverse it, it will change the direction. But it will take some time because now system is very cold.
चौंतीस मिनट पण ही লেগে যাবে ফোন হিতে চলে যাবে
রিসার্চ তো দিস কোন নাই
স্টোরেজ না 30 FPS 60 FPS तरह 10 मिनट में হবে खोल के चला DSLR पे 60 FPS खोल के चला भी और चलते থাকে না ये 30 FPS ফুল এইচটা 2 ঘন্টা মধ্যে চলে যাবে
হ্যাঁ সেটা হচ্ছে ভাই
So there must be some limit of this voltage, right? Or like if we keep on increasing the temperature difference between
No,
will it keep
voltage will be remain steady.
yeah, it will have
Okay, what will happen to electric resistance if I cool down?
রিডিউস
Resistance will decrease.
they are not going to
Just for demonstration,
লাইটটা ঠিক নিয়ে যায়
ধরতে ধর একটু হাত লাগে
bring a back.
ঠিক আছে এই যাবা
It's 1:30. Have to do lean.
কলা খাবি কলাটা খাবি
ওটা খাওয়ার জন্য
পকেটে করে নিয়ে চলে যা
জিজ্ঞেস করছে হাত থেকে
टूटा टूटा फूल टूटा कैसे टूटा
হাত ডুবি দেখা পেতে
এখনো মোটরটা করছে
সত্যি না সামনে
Okay. A bulb connected with long copper wire as a resistance and connected with battery. Bulb is quite dim. If I dip inside, it becomes bright. So resistance decreases with temperature. If whole circuit is made up of superconductor, then if you just charge once, remove the battery source, close the circuit will remain running continuously without any external power because resistance is absolute zero. Okay, in superconductor resistance is absolute zero. That is why circuit will remain running continuously without any power source. That is called superconductor. So
ওই জন্যই স্কলারশিপ পেয়েছি
কে
অক্সিলিয়ার
হ্যাঁ আরে টিয়া বারে যে ইলেকট্রিসিটি আছে না ওগুলো আছে না একটা জুলিয়ানের কাছে দিয়েছিল টেকনিকটা ও প্যাটার্ন করা যেত ওই জন্য মানে টিয়া সারাদিন লাইট ছিল যে রেখে দেওয়ার অসুবিধা নেই বিলে আছে না 1 টাকা 2 টাকা আছে মাসে ডেলি 1 টাকা করে আছে মাসে 30 টাকা হয়ে যায় গোটা ফ্ল্যাট
বিদ্যুৎ খরচ কম হয়
টিয়া কত জিনিস ছিল ওখানে গ্রুপ বানাবে কত আফসোস বলতো
superconductor is having another amazing property called Meissner effect or levitation effect. Here was the tiny superconductor made up of platinum barium copper oxide which superconducted minus 182 degrees Celsius or 90 degree Kelvin, but it will take some more time to cool down. Means it is now damaged, so it will take some time to cool down. And here is a magnetic thread. The effect is when we cool down by keeping packing, it will maintain that gap and run continuously. The magnet orientations are like this. These are north pole, south pole, again north pole, and both ends having different magnet in different orientation. So once it reach the end, it come back. It maintain its gap. If I put something, it just run over that. Okay. And if we broke the track, it just come back and broken track. It never cross the broken track. If we tilt down, it's back to vertical. If I try to rotate, it back to track direction. If I try to tilt whole track, then also it is running. But now it is become weak, so it will take more time to pull down. So let us skip that. So same superconducting levitation train running in
Japan.
Japan, Yamakasi. Train speed is 600 km/h. Just light speed you can reach at the ground. So that's it. Any questions?
No question.
Thank you.